went away for the afternoon to deliver my boys' insulin stuff to college, and when I come back we are 6 inches deep in snow or more, and it's still snowing. I have to clear the feeders so the creatures can get in tonight. Might get a bit deeper, I think. Everything's snowed up. You can see on the fence we're about 6 inches deep or more, 7 inches. Supposed to get 10 centimeters, but I think we're going to be way over that. So we've cleared them up. Probably get covered over, but they'll dig it out. So we'll do an update tomorrow morning. Obviously I've not managed to film anything today because I've been away, so everything will be a bit late tomorrow.